today's video is going to be a Dollar Tree haul, and I have all my items in this basket. I don't have a bag because I got everything in a basket. My Dollar Tree now has that area where there's a plus. So this basket right here that you're looking at was a whopping $3. And the other items are, all of them are $1.25 because you know the Dollar Tree changed its prices. So I'm gonna be showing you right from my basket. If you haven't done so, please click subscribe, and if you already did, thank you very much. And let's get started with my haul. I signed up for bringing goodie prices for my 4th grade teacher, my 4th grade daughter's teacher class, whatever. So most of these items are for that, to give it to her for that price treasure box that they have. And I'm going to show you what I got. On the school area, they had these stickers. This is Dr. Seuss. As you know, they have a Dr. Seuss day, but that's most likely going to be in next year. But either way, I got them. I love the stickers. They have 40 pieces for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 10, 15, 20. So there's probably 2 sheets with 20 in it, and that's how they look. So there's that one. I also got this one because nostalgia, says my daughter, is Lisa Frank, and this is 600 stickers, and of course it's a booklet. And I thought maybe she could, you know, like tear a page and then include it in there, or they can choose from the booklet a whole sheet from the Lisa Frank. They're all very cute. $1.25, like I told you. The other item that I've got for that are these spider wall tumbler. They had the Spider-Man, they had Iron Man, and they had Hulk. I got all those 3 items right there. They're like stretchy things, or like you throw them to the wall or something and then they'll climb down. And then I got this one, which is called a ramen sensory toy or stress relief toy. I thought I had gotten 2 of those. Yes, I did. Look at this. And it's just literally like stripy silicone things. And there you go. ASMR. Got those. And I also let me see. Well, I'm gonna have to get rid of these. I got these little stamps. They were on the Halloween section, floral section, because they were $1.25. I'm going to be Anxiety from the Inside Out movie number 2, The New Emotions, and I'm gonna make her hair up here. Like her hair, you know how she has really spiky hair, and this is the only thing I can think of that it looks like her hair instead of pipe cleaners. The light isn't giving justice to the orange sparkle of this thing, so that's gonna be her hair. I can show you that because we're gonna be family costume. Her niece is gonna have a costume birthday party, and we're gonna be the emotions. I got these little base. It's like matte color, like matte. This was $1.25. I got this for my brother for the cemetery. I'm gonna put some little flowers there. That's where I got that. Okay, let's go back to the prices for the 4th graders. I got these. These are pencil holders or pencil grip. This ones, you know, you train your fingers to grab them. I thought they were okay for the prices there, so I got that one. I also got, whoopsie, not that. Where'd it go? I got these, and I believe I got 2 of these. Yes, I did. These are memory cards. They're 58 pieces or 58 cards. There's 3 memory matching games, but it's only like 1 set. So I got 2 of those. This one could go for both girls and boys and girls, either way. You know what I mean? And the last thing that I got for the school prices was these erasers, scented perfumed 5 erasers. So there's like sweet strawberry, wild banana, sour apple, juicy blueberry, and ruby grape. All that she can single them out and give them as prices like that, as one single item. Like one price could be the eraser, one eraser, you know what I mean. And for those squiggly things that I got for Ansiety's costume, I got this hairband. So this is $1.25 as well. This is the headband. So I'm gonna try to clip them to those little things, and then have the bun. We'll see how it works. But I got, if you like it, that's the color. It's like tannish with red lines and orange and brownish lines. I got these mothballs. I got 2 of those. These mothballs, para mothballs, no clinging odor, kills moths, carpet beetles and their eggs and the larvae. When used in airtight container, this product can treat up to 12.5 cubic feet. So technically, from these, you have to, the mothball is in this container can treat up to 12.5 cubic feet. 1 ounce of mothballs or 8 mothballs can treat up to 3 cubic feet. For one other size storage container, calculate the volume. But I use it like this. I cut right here and just keep this bag in the cabinets or things like that where you see the moths, and that they disappear. I try them and it works, but the ones I have are basically like their service has been accomplished. I needed this little super glue thing, the original super glue, flow control super glue. I got this one from there. This is on the cars area. Then I got these goodie clips. I don't have a lot of hair. Look at this. So these are good for me. Like my daughters have a lot. I bought big ones for them. Okay, now these are items that I'm going to be saving for stocking stuffers. So if you're going to be doing that, make sure you start right now. Look at this. These are little cars. That's Mickey and Minnie on the little cars, and they're so cute. Look at this. They're adorbs. Adorbs. Okay. There's that. Then there were a bunch of new little dolls. Now these little dolls were the Barbies are. They had a new. They look to me a little bit better than the ones that they usually have. They have the Monster High. I only found these 3 different ones. Hopefully you can see these 3 different ones. Look at that one. I don't know what is that. They used to have their names. I wish they have their names, but this is like a wolf one, and then this is like the zombie one. Look, it's literally this. I think like zombie one. And then there is this like fish one. Look at this fish one. Yes. Now they have the princess collection, and the only one that I'm missing, I think, if there is any, but sometimes they don't put both sisters, and that's a shame, and is the princess. Look at all of these have like that pink motif. So you have Tiana and Cinderella, and then there is Ariel and Belle. These are my 2 favorites. But look at their faces are different. They look a little bit nicer. That's how they look from the bottom. That's how they look from back. And on this, it's only Elsa. But can you see? This one says Disney Princess and this one says Frozen. It is a Disney Princess, but I don't know why it doesn't have a pink one. And I didn't see Anna, so I'll be on the hunt for that. Okay, there's that. I got these glasses. I thought they look cool. They have, I don't know if you could tell, like it runs towards the end. I thought they were nice. Ultraviolet protection. I don't know about that, but they look nice to me. Let's see. I don't know. Maybe they're a little bit high. Either way. They're good, they're good. And then I got these lip glosses. I got 3 of the same kind, but this is how they look. They have the watermelon lip glossy. They look like a popsicle. You see that? These are good for stocking stuffers as well. And these are fruity scented and juicy shy. Juicy watermelon is called lip oil. They're calling it like that. Then the last one is lip balm and perfect peach, and that's how this one looks. Then I got frames. I got 4 of these, and that's how they look, like matte white. And then I got one of this one, which is just white, and then it has the gold rim. I have one for one of my pictures over there, but the girls got new pictures for school, and I got these. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4 of those frames. 4 of those frames, and then one of this one because there was only one with the gold trim. There's that. And the last 2 items are these dolls. They did have another. They've got 4 different kinds. Look it. They have the short hair one with like the surfing, and then they have this dark hair with the scooter. Now they had a scooter with the dark skin, and they had one like this, I think, or it could be something else, I can't remember, with the long blonde hair. Yeah, I think that's it. Yes, that is it for all the items that I got from the Dollar Tree. Hopefully you guys liked it. Start catching up and getting your stocking stuffers. And you can also do, since Halloween is almost here, you can do a boo basket for your kids, for your girlfriend, for your boyfriend, for your mom, for your teacher, for anybody. And they're good class treasure prices if they're come like in a bulk. When they don't come in a bulk, it's not so nice because you're spending $1 per item. But either way, that is all that I've got for you guys today. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't done so, please click subscribe, and if you already did, thank you very much, and I will see you next time. Bye.